Backroads if you don't know us. If you do, we're still Rambling Backroads. I am Bo. This is Raw. We come to you with a little unboxing from a friend of ours, Mac at the Movies. If you are not familiar with Mac, I don't know where I was going with that. If you're not familiar with Mac, he is a movie guy. Hence, this.
At the movies.
He reviews, he does unboxings, all kinds of movie stuff. So he has an opinion on everything. So you should check him out. So YouTube channel is Mac at the Movies. Good friend of ours, and we send him some things, and he has sent us some things, and this is going to be good.
I'm a little scared.
So, backstory.
No, that's why I'm scared.
Is one of these is a giveaway, because he's done some giveaways like we have, and we won one of them.
Hey, we finally won something.
So one of these is a giveaway, and I honestly do not remember which one.
Did he tell you?
It was in an old Amazon box. And these
They're
are both
old
Amazon boxes.
This
So
is heavy.
we're going to start with the small one.
That's heavy too.
We're going to start with the small one and get that opened up. And then we will move to the next one.
$12.22. So that one.
$12.15. So this is the
chicken, and this is the egg.
This is the prize, and that is the gift.
Oh, okay.
But whatever. So we are going to check this out.
Oh boy. Can you open it?
And I know a little bit of what's in here. Mainly one thing, because it was on
Giveaway?
the giveaway video. So,
I'm really scared about this knife being too close.
it's all good. Because, life is good,
Okay.
Oh, check this
surprise!
out. We have a note.
We just got a
Ooh.
letter. We just got a letter.
Dear Bo and Raw. You misspelled your name. It's okay, Matt. Thanks for supporting the channel and checking out the videos. I hope you love all the goodies packed within. Stay awesome, Mac. Mac, you are the awesome one. Thank you. And I really appreciate a handwritten note.
I like the smiley face.
And it's a handwritten note with a smiley face. So, he's a good dude. Go check out Mac at the Movies. Give him a like, give him a subscribe. Let's see what we have. Look at this. This is like a good movie mix.
Imagine that, Mac at the
Like
Movies.
we've got popcorn, we've got the candy that you would get at the theaters.
Ooh, what's this?
I like this.
You trying to stab me?
Coca-Cola flat.
It's one of my favorite
Flat.
movies.
What is this?
Free Truman. This
Coke
is mine.
Float.
You don't get this.
What is this?
I don't know, but I'm.
You're not even looking at this. What is that?
Free Truman from the Truman Show.
That's mine.
No, I already claimed
You're not saying, what is, for Fresh Prince, contact Cinema Concepts. This is so cool.
What is it? Does it look like
into your
film?
flat. Like,
It's like film?
it's, yeah.
Is it the Fresh Prince film?
MCR stairs and Coke flat. So it's like an actual reel.
Not like an Instagram reel.
That, kids these days, Alright, so not to drag out the video, that's really cool. Thank you. Ooh, Haribo.
That's really cool.
Kit Kats. This is cool. I like this.
That's cool tonight.
And
Ooh, a movie.
we have a VHS with Robin Williams.
Ooh.
Funniest comedy you'll see this year, which is
What year?
1996.
Ooh.
It's 25 years old.
I was gonna say how old I was when the movie came out, but I don't want to give away my age.
And
I was in kindergarten.
we have
What's that?
Dumbo,
Oh.
which is cool. So that's neat.
I haven't seen that.
Disney's lithograph collection, commissioned by. So this is neat.
What's a lithograph? Is that one of those moving picture things?
Children's thing. Ooh.
Is it a moving picture?
Here's the thing for it.
Oh.
That's neat. I like that. And this, you cannot see. It's here. This is a digital code to download or stream Cruella, which is what these two things are what the giveaway is for. So I got Cruella, which will be interesting to see. So now we can watch that.
Okay.
But don't show that to the camera. Because I like you, we like you. You're near and dear friends to us. But we're not letting you see
Sorry.
a free version of Cruella. And this is Fantastic Mr. Fox.
That sounds fantastic.
Foxy. I like it. I don't know what it is.
You've never seen it?
No. Are you familiar with it?
I have seen it, yes.
Is it good?
It is foxy and fantastic.
We got
It
Candy.
has Bill Murray, George
Oh.
Clooney, and Meryl Streep, and Owen Wilson.
That's
So,
legit. That's a good cast.
yeah.
So, and we have Candy to go with it.
Yeah. Smart
So-
is my favorite.
We're going to have a movie night this weekend. So, that's cool.
And I got the button. I really like this button.
And until you're not looking, and then I have a button.
That's why it's on my vest already.
I use things.
Alright, what's
Sense,
this one?
sanity, patience.
So this one's not a giveaway.
This is a gift.
That
This
wasn't a gift? That seems...
that was a giveaway that was extra cool because Mac is extra cool. This is a gift from him
What
to
could it be?
us. I don't know. But I know he
You
was
might want to be careful.
like he really put some legit tape on this. Alright. Here we go. I need a sharpen this now.
No, you don't.
Alright. Are you ready?
Ooh, I see
Wrapping.
wrapping.
So,
Poppies.
more
More
wrapping.
wrapping.
Ooh. Hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate.
I like
That's
it.
mine.
That's good. We got more popcorn.
That's yours.
That was cool. Mmm.
More candy.
Lots of candy. I like his packing material. That's pretty
Ooh,
good.
that's neat.
These are good. How did he know
Oh, you dropped something.
that I was wanting popcorn things
Careful.
for my TV room? Those are legit.
Legit.
I like those. And
A bell?
we have a bell from the Salvation Army.
Oh.
We needed that for the Christmas movie.
Yeah.
We had this before Christmas, but somebody wasn't here. And I had to wait and wait and wait and stare at this box, wanting to know what was inside of it, and she wasn't here.
What else is in here? What's this? Camp Nowhere with Christopher Lloyd. Have you seen this one?
I saw that like forever and ever ago.
I like it. I like it a lot.
And you're gonna love this. Sling Blade.
That sounds scary.
It's got Billy Bob Thornton in it,
That
So it
sounds
could be.
really scary.
but we're gonna watch it. Hey, you got a card.
You just got oh, there's something you might like.
Dinosaur.
Ooh, pretty.
Ooh, something I don't like.
I know, that's what
Ooh.
I said earlier.
Gladiator. Thank you, Mac.
Those are hard to find.
Those are hard to find. Not only is it a Hot Wheel, but it's a Jeep. That's legit. That's good. Need more popcorn. We do have some popcorn. And hot chocolate. So many goodies. This is awesome. Ooh. This is cool. I hope you enjoy this looking at candy.
You should show them how much candy you can have.
So much candy. Alright. We have a card. We have a card. And we have a dog that wants in. Ooh.
Aww, the pickup truck.
That looks like our pickup truck. Or technically that looks like my dad's pickup truck that we have sitting out front of the house. With a Merry Christmas. No Christmas music mix. Some tracks contain explicit content.
Uh-oh.
I'm intrigued. I will check that out. To my dearest Bo and Rob, wishing you a little holiday cheer everywhere you go. Merry Christmas and keep rambling, Mac.
Thanks, Mac.
Check that out. Handwritten stuff. Like, if you don't mail Christmas cards, you should. They're fun to do and they're fun to get. Everything doesn't have to be so easy and quick and streamlined. You know, sometimes you need a little bit of handwritten personality in it. So this is a lot of coolness, Mac. I appreciate it. This is going to be fun. We've got multiple movies to watch. We got candy to eat. I'm going to be sitting there ringing the bell. You got the button, I get the bell.
Thanks, Mac.
Until next time, we're going to catch you later. So come back and join us. We'll do something else.
Hopefully without bells.
We'll be there with the bells on.